My name is Jonathan Leckie and I'm Managing Director here at Fleming Agri Products. It's now the middle of March and we're entering into what is going to be a very exciting time for the company. We're just about to commence a new 22,000 square foot extension to the facility here at New Buildings. So the decision to commence this extension was actually a very easy decision for us. We knew that we had to increase our manufacturing capability in the organisation if we're going to be able to maintain the service reputation that we've had over the years, and also to allow us room to expand into newer and more exciting products that we have in the pipeline and have been unable to introduce over the last 2 years due to the current level of business. Currently, the existing factory is working at full capacity. We have a night shift and day shift, and also now a weekend shift, and all three shifts are fully utilised. In fact, if you toured through the factory, you will see where we've now got welders positioned in what was the store, and areas where it's not the most efficient use of their time. Another reason for the expansion is the fact that a lot of the newer products that were introduced in recent times are at the larger end of the scale. We've introduced 12 and 14 ton silage trailers, and shortly to follow with a 16 ton trailer. We've also had larger rollers. We now have rollers that can roll up to and over 5.5 metres. And these have made the existing facilities, made it difficult for the existing facilities to cope with these larger products. So the new extension is going to be able to provide us with much more space and much more room to produce these larger products going forward. We're delighted to have appointed GA Gamble as the main contractor. We have used Gamble's in the past. We know they're an efficient organisation, and we're looking forward to working along with them in the build process. We're also documenting the build from start to finish. Our marketing department are looking at it from a point of view of the development of the company, and I think it's going to be quite exciting to look back in years to come on what's going to happen over the next 6 months, and hopefully you will also enjoy watching the progress that we made over the build period.